Hey there, Playmo pals. Welcome to another PlaymoAF. PlaymoAF. Hey there, Playmo pals. Welcome back to another PlaymoAF video today. We've got more of a sequel to a previous video. As you can see, we got three upper torsos here for three different clickies. When in fact, it's going to be just for one clicky. Can you guess what it is? Never mind. Let's do this after the opening credits. Alright guys, welcome back. We are going to check out the freebie Klicky that you get when you spend $50 or more from Playmobil.com. Now you get one figure, but he comes with three different outfits, just like you do with the female one that we unboxed, wow, a couple years ago now. So we're going to check out the male version. So starting off with the one here on the right, it looks like we get, I thought at first it was some sort of like sports outfit, but it looks very race car-esque. And of course, as soon as I saw the helmet, this made sense to me. The one on the far left shows that this is, if you want it to be, a painter. And the final one allows you to create your own little caveman, which I think is what we're going to go with permanently. So along with your free gift, you get this little piece of paper that shows you the outfits, what they're supposed to look like, and what pieces to put together to assemble your Klicky. The only thing I am missing is that trophy. I did not get the trophy. The backside shows you how to assemble your Klicky. I did get this used at a flea market because Florida's full of them. So I ended up getting this entire set. The only thing I am missing is that trophy, and that's okay. And here's our Klicky dressed up as a painter. Kind of ironic that we've got him dressed in white, mostly. I would not have expected to see a painter all dressed up in white. But yeah, they decided to make him look this way. Maybe as a little joke. Which, if they did, it worked. I laugh. Now, stylistically, this is probably the most unique out of the three, just because of the different colored arms. At first, I thought this was a mistake having the black arm there, but until I started to assemble our Klicky, it didn't make sense. So as soon as I put them all together, that's when it was just like, oh, so the black arm does fit there. And here he is with his helmet on. And it's okay that I don't have a trophy to go with him. That's alright. It still works out. He doesn't need a trophy. Maybe he just hasn't raced yet. Not a bad looking figure overall. It is odd that he has an orange helmet. I kind of thought it would be nice if he had orange elsewhere on the uniform. Maybe around the number 1. To me, as I look through the camera while I'm filming this, it's red. And I don't know. Oh no, I'm sorry. As I look through the camera, it looks orange, but it's actually red. Assemble our caveman. Given a bone. This bone is not a hard plastic, which is kind of weird to me, but that's okay. And there he is. I love it. You'll notice also his arms are different as well. He's got all flesh here, and then his shoulder is covered by the animal hide there. And that is our final free male Klicky thing. Yeah, so yeah, you just have three different options to choose here as to which uniform or outfit you want to put on them. And I chose the caveman because I thought it was the most unique, and he would make a great subject to take photos of outdoors. And so that is it for that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you haven't yet for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Find us at playmo.af. You can also find us on Twitter for the time being at PlaymoAF. And that is it, guys. We will see you next time very soon. Have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.